Hi folks, I'm a little late in bringing you the big news that Orion has made it to the moon. I was doing some high flying myself and NASA had the bad manners to achieve this momentous event while I was indisposed. But on to the key events themselves. At mission elapsed time, MET, 6 days, 23 hours and 57 minutes, Orion carried out a fourth trajectory correction. This was shortly before two more critical course corrections that will enable Orion to enter a distant retrograde orbit on November the 25th, but I'll give more details about that in a future broadcast. The first of these two trajectory corrections used all three thruster types on the Orion for the first time, as shown here, and it went very successfully. There was a brief period of communication loss with Orion at MET 8 days, 22 hours and 22 minutes during a reconfiguration procedure between Orion and the Deep Space Network. The outage lasted 47 minutes, but when communication was re-established, all systems were on point. When a mission is going as well as the Artemis I mission, we tend to get a bit blasé about the success of the various key events. The Orion module is a European design and built spaceship, which has been successfully integrated with the American-built SLS system. It has never been tested in space before, and now, hundreds of thousands of kilometers from Earth, it is performing even better than expected. This is one of the greatest engineering feats of the century so far, and we are getting to witness it. At MET 7 days, 5 hours and 10 minutes, Orion reached its closest point to the moon, flying a mere 130 kilometers above the lunar surface. Soon after, its engines were fired up, increasing its speed from 3,405 kilometers per hour to 8,163 kilometers per hour, lifting the ship to a higher orbit level. At MET 7 days, 5 hours and 50 minutes, Orion flew 2,240 kilometers above the Apollo 11 landing site, later flying 9,600 kilometers above the Apollo 14 landing site and 12,300 kilometers above that of Apollo 12, climbing ever higher as it orbits the moon. As mentioned, the mission is exceeding all expectations. As a good indication, as of November 21st, Orion has used 1,680 kilograms of propellant. That's about 32 kilograms less than originally calculated. There's now a safety margin or excess of 910 kilograms of propellant, which is about 91 kilograms ahead of the pre-launch target estimates. That was a lot of numbers there, but the take-home message is that the mission so far has been a major success. Over the next few days, Orion will be breaking a few records, including traveling further from Earth than any other spacecraft designed to carry humans. Do you know which craft holds that record? Look it up. Lots more exciting events to come on the Artemis I mission, and you can hear them all on the moon.ie broadcast. So stay tuned. Till then, keep looking up.